Hi, welcome to AGAA-MATH. Today we are going to learn about the trigonometry. What is trigonometry? In the trigonometry, if you observe here, it is a trigonometry. So tri is trigono means angle and metry means measurement. So it is a three-angle measurement. Trigonometry is a study of the relationship of angles, lengths and heights. It is emerged in the 3rd century BC, involving applications from the astronomy to geometric studies, and it has spread its applications into wider fields like engineering, physics, surveyors, architects, astronauts, and even in the investigation of a crime scene. Let us see the different applications using trigonometry. One of them is trigonometry to measure the height of a building or a mountain. It is used in measuring the height of a building. The distance of the building from the viewpoint and the elevation angle can easily determine the height of a building using the trigonometric functions. These are the examples to understand how trigonometry is used in finding the heights. Trigonometry is also used in the developing computer music. As you are familiar that sound travels in the form of waves, and this wave pattern through a sine or cosine function for developing computer music. Here are a few applications where trigonometry and its functions are applicable. So here you can observe how the computer music is formed using the trigonometric functions. And trigonometry is also used in aviation. The aviation technology has been evolved in the many upgradations in the last few years. It has taken in account that the speed, direction and the distance, as well as have to consider the speed and the direction of the wind. The wind plays a vital role in when and how a flight will travel. This equation can be solved by using the trigonometry. Here are some examples. Trigonometry in criminology. Trigonometry even used in the investigation of a crime scene. The function of a trigonometry are helpful to calculate a trajectory of a projectile and to estimate the causes of a collision in car accidents. Further, it is used to identify how an object falls or in what angle the gun is shot. Here. Even trigonometry also used in marine biology. Trigonometry is often used by marine biologists for measurements to figure out the depth of the sunlight that affects algae to photosynthesis. Using the trigonometric function and mathematical models, marine biologists estimate the size of the larger animal like whales and also understand their behaviors. Trigonometry in navigation. Trigonometry is used in navigating the directions. It estimates in what direction to place the compass to get a straight direction. With the help of a compass and trigonometric functions in navigation, it will help to pinpoint a location and also to find distance as well to see the horizon. So here the example how the navigation, how the trigonometry used in the navigations. Like this, we can use the trigonometry in different applications in our daily life. Okay, so very soon we are coming with the trigonometric classes. That is, so let's watch AGAA-MATH. Thank you for watching.